Hey y'all, I have the Avigator brand espresso machine here. It is a really great espresso machine. I love the size of it. It is really perfect just for up on the countertop. It doesn't take up much room. It is a really sleek, just shiny design. I love that it's just simple functions, just 3 buttons and the frothing wand here, but it has so many great options. This espresso machine comes with the handle and you can choose the 1 cup or 2 cup size for your espresso, the scoop with the little tamper on the end. To start, you just simply turn it on the side over here. And you're going to go ahead and fill the back compartment with water. It has a 50-ounce water tank that can make 8 mugs of coffee and a 20-bar professional Italian pump. This espresso machine is kind of unique in that you can choose hot or cold coffee options in it. You can also choose from the single and double cup option. And then over here on the last button is for the steam one, so you can go ahead and froth your milk. This espresso machine heats up so quickly and has a fast reduction time. A single cup of espresso can be poured within 20 seconds. There's a memory function that brings you to the last setting that you used, hot or cold. Last I used was cold, so you can see that it's lit up blue. You get to the cold setting by long pressing on the first button here. You can easily remove the drip pan area at the bottom to clean it. And as you can see, the frothing wand here can be moved around. You can use it at any angle and has the little silicone handle so you don't burn your fingers. You can also program your machine to customize to the heat settings that you would like. You go ahead and long press on the steam button, and then you can choose low, medium, or high heat. You can also remove the bottom part for larger cups. This makes such a delicious latte, and I love the convenience of being able to make it from home. If you're looking for a really exceptional espresso maker, you should definitely check this one out.